Hello contractors, do-it-yourselfers. I'm here to demonstrate how to add butyl tape into a tape gun from First Adhesive Technologies, similar to a pack and tape gun with additional steps and a little care to make sure the butyl doesn't stick all over the place. First of all, you move up this arm, self-locks, you're going to have to keep it there. You're going to pull out some butyl about 12 inches, insert it through there. It's going to go through these two clips. And then you're going to remove the release liner and put it through there. So let's get started. This is already open. This may help later on because butyl tape is pretty sticky and you got to watch where you put it because it's going to get stuck wherever you put it. So first I'm going to move it through here. Put that arm through the core. As you see, this step is pretty easy. Put it through there and through this other. Okay, move it over. Gonna remove this release liner here, which it can be one of the hardest things to do. There you go. And why I got this here is for this butyl won't stick on each other. It has a mind of its own sometimes. And now you put that, the liner through that slot there, pull it out the other direction. As you see it now, notice how it got stuck, but luckily we got that there. Yeah, you can be stubborn, but that's, now just remove this. Notice you can stick it on there. Pull it out. Move that release liner out. Make it smooth. It's a little time to do it, but it saves your hands from old gloves, from all the butyl getting on there and you trying to get it off. I would like to also note that this gun can also be used for pack and tape. Right here, you got the two bolts, nuts you have to remove, and you got this wiper and blade, you add it on there. I must let you know that this is only used for pack and tape. This will not cut the butyl. It will just get all sticky on there, and the only alternative is to use a utility knife. I like one with a retractable blade for safety reasons. You won't be cutting yourself with that thing sticking out all the time. I hope this helped. Interested in buying one of these guns, go to our website, first-adhesive.com. Please subscribe, hit that notification button for future content. I hope this helped in your decking project. Have a nice day. Goodbye, and see you later.